Yo, what's up everybody? It's Sue here and let's get this show on the road. Listen, starting a YouTube channel can feel like trying to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops. You're staring at this mountain of a task, no fancy gear, just you and a whole lot of ambition. Whether you're a total tech newbie or you just don't know where to begin, trust me, I've been there. This video is going to be your Sherpa, your step-by-step guide to going from zero to YouTube hero. We're diving deep into everything from finding your niche to editing videos like a pro, and even how to turn your passion into profit. So grab your notebook, buckle up, and let's do this thing. First things first, we gotta figure out what you're all about. What makes your heart beat faster? What are you crazy passionate about? Maybe it's gaming, makeup tutorials, travel vlogs, or even something as niche as collecting vintage stamps. Now, here's where the research comes in. Head over to YouTube and see what's already out there. Are people searching for your passion? Are there channels already killing it in that space? Don't sweat it if there are. That just means there's an audience. The key here is to find your unique angle. What's your voice? What's your story? Remember, there's only one you, and that's your superpower. Inject that personality into your content, and you'll be amazed at the tribe you attract. Alright, we've got our niche. It's time to build your YouTube kingdom. First up, if you don't have a Google account, now is the time to create one. It's the keys to the kingdom, people. Next, head over to YouTube and hit that Create a Channel button. Choose a channel name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. This is your online identity, so make it count. Now let's add some visual spice. Your channel art is the first thing people see, so make it pop. Use bright colors, clear fonts, and images that represent your content. Think of it as your storefront. You want it to draw people in. Don't worry, you don't need a Hollywood studio to make awesome videos. These days, your smartphone is a powerful tool. Experiment with different angles, lighting, and learn some basic editing tricks. There are tons of free editing apps and software out there. Start with something simple like iMovie or jump into the free version of DaVinci Resolve. The point is, start playing around and find what works for you. And hey, don't forget about the power of music and sound effects. A good soundtrack can make your videos way more engaging. Check out royalty-free music sites like Epidemic Sound or Audio Jungle to find the perfect vibe. Now for the fun part, creating your content. Start with a content plan. What kind of videos do you want to make? How often can you realistically film and upload? Remember, consistency is key on YouTube. Once you've got some video ideas, it's time to start filming. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and let your personality shine through. Remember, authenticity is magnetic. After you've filmed your masterpiece, it's time to edit. Cut out any dead air, add some music, transitions, and make sure your audio is crystal clear. Then hit that upload button and share your creation with the world. Okay, you've created awesome content. Now let's make sure people actually see it. This is where SEO, search engine optimization, comes in. Think of it as speaking YouTube's language. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. These are the words people are typing into the search bar, so make it easy for them to find you. And don't forget about thumbnails. They're like mini movie posters for your videos. Make them eye-catching, intriguing, and use bright colors and bold fonts. YouTube is all about community, so engage with your viewers, respond to comments, ask for video ideas, and create a dialogue with your audience. The more connected they feel, the more invested they'll be in your channel. Don't be afraid to reach out to other creators in your niche. Collaborate on videos, do shoutouts, and support each other's work. The YouTube world is vast and there's room for everyone to succeed. And hey, don't underestimate the power of social media. Share your videos on other platforms, interact with your followers, and let people know what you're all about. Now let's talk about the money, baby. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This means you can start earning ad revenue from your videos. But that's not the only way to monetize your channel. You can explore sponsorships with brands that align with your niche. Just make sure it's an authentic fit and something you genuinely believe in. Affiliate marketing is another great option. Recommend products or services you love and use yourself, and you can earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. So, there you have it, your roadmap to YouTube success. Listen, I know it can seem like a lot to take in, but the most important thing is to just start. Don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect gear, or the perfect video idea. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, when you see your community grow, when you get that first sponsorship email, when you realize you're making a living from your passion, it's all worth it. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me on this incredible journey. We're in this together.